Hi, this is Greg Kopp from MarineMax Miami. Today I'd like to introduce you to a beautiful boat we just received here at Miami.
And today I'd like to present our beautiful new 35 SLX 2018. She has a beautiful black hull, twin stern drives, underwater lights, as well as a very nice boarding ladder to come in and out, up and down. As we come onto the boat, you'll see the beautiful teak. You have a nice lounge area that if you deploy the shore shade, you can have shade while you're sitting here watching the family swim. You're still engaged and out of the sun. Nice storage underneath. You can fold this down when you're underway. Gives it a sleek look. Tons of seating on the 35 SLX. Notice the blue and direct lighting, really nice touch. Here's your wet bar with your refrigerator, grill, sink. Very nice head. Plenty of room to change into a bathing suit, use the facilities as needed. State-of-the-art helm with joystick. New digital touch so you can control the boat, a lot of the switches. Just forward of the helm, you've got a nice berth equipped with a TV, little sitting area. Someone could lay down. And as we move forward, another beautiful lounge seating area with the table. Windlass anchor, fresh water to rinse off. And that is our beautiful 2018 35 Sea Ray SLX.